Sponge. Sponge refers to a variety of different things, depending on the context. Here are a few possible interpretations. Sponge. Porifera. A sponge is a type of simple aquatic animal that belongs to the phylum Porifera. Sponges are multicellular organisms that lack tissues and organs. They typically have a porous body structure with numerous channels and chambers through which water flows. Sponges are known for their ability to filter food particles from the water and their diverse range of shapes, sizes, and colors. Sponge. Household item. A sponge is a commonly used household item made from a porous material, usually cellulose or foam, that is used for cleaning or absorbing liquids. Household sponges are often rectangular or round in shape and have a soft, absorbent side and a rough, scrubbing side. Sponge. Software term in software development. A sponge is a term used in testing and debugging to refer to a tool or technique that captures and records data for later analysis. It allows developers to inspect and analyze the data captured by the sponge to identify bugs or investigate issues in the software. Please provide more context or let me know which specific interpretation you are referring to, so I can provide more relevant information. Send a message.